Silent and frozen, I'm under your spell. Thought I knew you, but now I know you well. I wake up beside you, move across your killing floor. Need my freedom and I see an open door. The room is getting smaller and the walls are closing in. No one's leaving and nobody's getting in. Try to run, try to hide. I try to tell you what I'm feeling inside. Should I stay? Should I go? You know I wanna touch you, but there's no